Good morning, everybody. Got a slight project to do. It's a little fitment project. Okay, a little fitment project here. We're going to shut off the pump. Shut off the pump, and that shuts the heater off like it's supposed to. So I'm getting ready to close the pool pretty soon. And I bought a replacement cover for the pool pump. And I will tell you why. Tell you why I did that in just a second. Now, I made a video the other day, and it was of a cover similar to this, except the O-ring in that cover was probably 3 times the size of this, and I couldn't even push it on top of the filter. It was ridiculous. So I had to return it. Ordered one overnight, and this one, you can definitely tell if you look in here, the O-ring is below the cam. It's below the cam, and that means it's gonna fit just fine. The other one was actually way above that cam, and there's no way I could push the cover on. You can see how that's below the cam. So let's test fit it, and then I'll tell you what I'm going to do with it. Okay. I normally shut these valves off to airlock the system so it doesn't drain the water. All right, so that's the cover. Should say the old cover. And I'm going to test fit the new cover just to make sure it's going to fit. All right. I'm pretty sure it's going to, but let's see. Yep. Oh, yeah, that's nice. And I'm going to turn it back on just to make sure it's going to work. There we go. And that's beautiful. That's perfect. And I'm going to shut this off again and put the old cover back on. And then I'll tell you why I just did that. Okay. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a hole and fit it with a fitting so that I can blow air down through that hole with a blower that I bought and clean out and blow out my pool lines at the end of the season. But stay tuned because you're going to see that happen. You're going to see the whole project. So hit me a like button if you don't mind. And thanks for being here.